Hello everyone, my name is Mucha Cedric and I am here to present work of Oracle Database Administration. The assignment name was Database Environment Setup Testing Assignment. First of all, I have to enter in Oracle. Here I have to write my password for Oracle user. As you can see, I am in user Oracle. After entering through Oracle and password, I have to enter in Oracle SQL. The command to enter in Oracle SQL, I have to write SQL plus as SYSTVA enter as long SQL DBA. Now I am in Oracle SQL. Assignment was saying that we have to create two databases. First database have to be our first name, and second database has to be our second name. So I first of all I have to see and show you database I am already have in my Oracle SQL. To see that, I have to write show DBS, enter. As you can see, I have only two databases, PDBA, PDB, $SCEED. Those databases are for system. So I am going to create my own database. I have to write create pluggable database, and then I have to write database name. My database, as the assignment says, has to be my first name. Create pluggable database name Cedric, and then hit enter. Here I have to write admin user Mugisha username identified by 1 2 3 as password, then hit enter. No. Create pluggable database Cedric, enter. Admin user Mugisha identified by 1 2 3 semicolon. As you can see here, I forget to write semicolon. We wait a little moment. Now pluggable database is created. I have to open it now. To open it, I have to write command pluggable database name is Cedric. To open my database Cedric, so hit enter key. Pluggable database is added, means is opened. I have to exit in SQL Oracle. Now I am going to enter in the user that I have already created before. My user is called Cedric. To enter in user, you have to write the reason why I created my own user is that the user of the system has many database, many tables, so to be able to select my own tables correctly, I have to create my own user to avoid many data in one user. So to enter my user, I have to write SQL plus sys dba slash username. My username is Cedric, and the password of my user localhost portal is 5021 slash database. This database name is the pluggable database I had created here. As you see, database name is Cedric also, and then I have to enter. Now I am in user Cedric, database Cedric. In that database I can now in that database I can create my tables in the database. Let's create some tables. Let's write create table like students. My table name is students. Let's have student ID. Also, yes, it must be an integer, and the primary key also. Students must have a name, Alikar, like 67, semicolon, then enter. As you see, the table is already created. Let's see our created table. Write desk students. You see, my table has student ID and name, but it is empty. I have to insert into my table, insert into table name students, and then values must ID 1, like 1, and then name, let's say like Joseph, and close semicolon, enter. Insert into students values 1 Joseph. Row is created. Let's see our created row. We write to see if values was inserted. We have to write select all from table name students. See now student ID and name. We have student ID and name. We can insert other many values, like let's copy to move quick. Sorry, have to reach like here. Copy, paste. Joseph must not be Joseph. Value like 2. So Johnny, write Johnny, then semicolon. Insert into students values Johnny. Enter. Let's select select our table to see if the third value, second value is inserted. As you can see, John with number 2 ID is inserted. As assignment says, we have to create a database of our first name and create entity like table and insert into our table. I think I have created my first database, so I have to write exit, but no, I can create my second database in here by writing create pluggable database, and database name must be my second name. My second name is Cedric. Mugisha. My second name is Mugisha. Hit enter admin user. Let's say Cedric. Wait a little bit. Now pluggable database is already created, so we have to open my database. I write arita pluggable database, and then database name is Mugisha. Yes, but I have mixed my first name and second name. Please sorry for that. Then open semicolon, create pluggable database Mugisha, then open hit enter key. This command is used to open my database to be added. So now I can use my database. So let's write exit to so that we can be able to enter into my database Mugisha. Now, as we know, I am in database Cedric. So user also is Cedric. So I have to come here and exit into Cedric, and then we will see here I am going to enter into database Mugisha. I write here database. Here must be the database name. Database name is Mugisha. As we know, we write SQL, this user, password, localhost, portal, and then database. The database that I have created above here, Mugisha. So I come here and hit enter. Now I am in Mugisha database user Cedric. Now here I am going to create some tables in that database. So I write create database like sorry, it's not a database, it is a table. Create table name, or let's say like football players. But my table name is too long. Let's say like players. It's enough. Let's say player name, player ID. First of all, must be integer and must be primary key, of course. Primary key, comma, player name. Let's write player name. as you can see, my table is already created. So I am going to describe my tables. Describe prayers. We have prayer ID and prayer name. Prayer ID must be not null because it is a primary key. And the prayer name, of course, it can be null. Prayer name, it can be null. We have data type of var character 45. So I am going to insert into my empty table and insert into prayers insert here. Okay, values, we have to write like 1 comma prayer name, let's say Lionel Messi, hyphen comma Lionel Messi 1. So hit enter. Where is the problem? Insert. I write incorrect insert. We have to correct insert yes into. Let's copy this to move quick. Let's copy this, copy, then paste to move quick, then colon, semicolon, enter. Row is created, so I have to select or from prayers. As you can see, prayer ID is 1, prayer name is Lionel Messi. I can also insert other values into my table, like 1 value. Let's insert into other value like 2. No, let's write 10. Paste. Now a row is created. Let's select or from student prayers. As you can see, I created 2 inserts. One for ID 1 Lionel Messi, the second 10 ID prayer name Neymar. I was in database Mugisha. I have created the table called prayers. I have inserted into prayers. As you can see, I think let's type exit. So I have exit in my database. As we have seen, I have created the database, two databases, database Drake and database Mugisha. In each database I created one table. I inserted into those table, and I think that was my work. Thanks everyone.